and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing an updated office tour. So let's start from the entrance. So we actually have this baby gate on my door. So if you saw my Vlogtober video, Mira actually just had surgery. So she cannot run, jump, she can't go down the stairs. And so we actually put this baby gate up so she can't get out of my office. I do work from home still, and my doctoral program is online. So I spend a lot of time in my office and she stays with me. But to prevent her from leaving the room, we just put this baby gate here. Because she is spending a lot of time in here, I do just have a toy bin for her, and then we added some water so she has access to that. I have my couch in the daybed mode, and she just lays out here all day, and then she has easy access to her toys, and then she just wraps herself in the pillows and the blankets. But this is currently what a realistic view of my office generally looks like. I didn't clean up much, I just tidied up a little bit, but that way y'all can see how it's used. I have this table from Amazon. I'll have links to everything below. And this just holds my remote for my Apple TV and for my television. And then I have my degrees up here. And then moving over, we have my desk. So I actually added a second desk. So I really miss having the L-shaped desk, and I've been thinking about getting a desktop computer. And so I knew I would need more room on my desk, but I wanted to keep my actual desk because I loved it. So I picked this up from IKEA, and it's been a great addition to my office. I know it's not as aesthetically pleasing, but it's very functional and it's perfect. So you do have wheels on the bottom, and the best part about that is that I can have an L-shaped desk whenever I need it. I can just throw things on here when I'm filming videos, and then I can also just use it as a normal desk. So I can pull it to the couch, and then I can study or sit on the couch if I want to switch things up from the desk and study on the couch. So that's why my textbooks are over here. So generally when I get off work, I'll work at my desk, and then I'll come over here when I'm working on assignments once that's over, and then spend some time with Mira on the couch. And then I'll just pull this over. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. But I can just slide this over, move my laptop over here, and then use this desk from the couch and get a little bit more relaxed. Or I can just store stuff on here if I'm reading on the couch. Or it gives me the opportunity to really just watch TV and work from the couch, so it's a little bit more comfortable. So this has been a really great addition, and I love it. Moving over to my desk. So again, I have the window with the best lighting, and I had so much stuff on this windowsill that it started to drive me a little crazy. So I minimized as much as possible what I kept on my windowsill. So right now I just have a phone charger with my work phone. This magazine holder has just some work stuff and a charger for my work phone. I have a clipboard, and that has my syllabus for my class. I have my focus planner on display, and then water bottle, and then that was my coffee this morning. I generally keep my laptop here. The charger is down here. And I have a 6-port adapter in there from Target. I have this arm from Sam. So he installed this for our 5-year anniversary, so it'd be easier to make videos. And I love it because I can just hook my camera on here, move it, and then I can easily film videos, and I don't have to worry about grabbing an arm, setting it up, moving things around. So this works out perfectly, and then I can just move it away. I keep my main agenda open on my desk at all times, unless for any reason I need the full desk, or sometimes we just want to clear things off, or if I'm using like my work planner, I'll move this to my planner cart. So inside of the desk, I have this tray, tape, my planner, business cards, sticky notes, and hole punch, calculator, extra chargers, and then some miscellaneous items and stickers. And again, love the functionality, love having these drawers so I can easily open it up and have access to stationery. I have this chair from Wayfair. Moving over to the planner cart. This is where I store my main planners. I have this bucket from the Factory 5 collection from Chanel that I just use as a pencil holder. These two boxes are just like gift boxes from Chanel again, and they have planner items. I have a Chanel bag that's really just my junk drawer, and then I've just been throwing my tripod over here so it's easily accessible. In this corner over here, I have my storage planner cart. So I recently did a video where I completely set this up. I'll have it linked below. On here is just all of the planner accessories that I primarily use, as well as my work planners and some notebooks for school. And then I have some archived inserts as well. I have my TV. This was in our loft for guests to use, and we haven't really had people over. So I actually moved it into here so that I can have a TV and I can watch TV in here. I also use it for school so that I can watch the recordings up here for any recorded classes. I added this shelf just to add some of my Scooby-Doo stuff on here. I have my Apple TV mounted. Back here I have a closet full of storage that I need to organize and that I want to organize in an upcoming video. And then we have my bookshelves, which I absolutely love. These are from Wayfair. Again, everything will be linked below. But on here I just have some additional planners and notebooks. This is just documents and files and letters that have come in. This is additional planner accessories. Again, I did a video organizing these as well, but these are just less frequently used items. These accordion file holders have archived documents. So one is for my blog, so it just has like tax statements and different things like that. And then one is just for personal, and it has the same thing, and just important information. The middle compartment is just primarily for storage. So up top, this has just additional planner accessories, so pens, markers, my hole punch for my A5 planner, different things like that. I have this vanity case from Cloth and Paper that I use as a camera case. So right now I'm using my camera, but I have just all of my additional stuff in here. And then I have books and binders that I'm actively using, including textbooks. And then this is more of just books that I have and could reference, but less used. These are more frequently used. And then this is just storage. My printer is on the bottom, and then we have just additional paper. Again, the accordion file. This is just additional office supplies and notepads. Above that is all of my inserts. So these are all of my A5 inserts, and I think HP mini inserts. I'm going to do another video where I organize this because this really needs to be organized. And then again, we just have some vinyl notebooks. So that is the bookshelves, and that is an updated office tour. So if y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.